This is Dorothy Smith, and I bought a Cricut maker because it's the new Cricut, and you just never know when you're going to be cutting who knows what. So you can cut material, you can cut leather, you can cut balsa wood with this, and let me put this away before I kill myself. There we go. So here we go. Of course, it's a box in a box. And it's hard to get out. Okay, I'm gonna tip it over and do it this way. I don't need that piece of paper. We're in my club room, actually. So these are where my ladies sit to do their scrapbooking and card making. And so there's all sorts of, they have all of the materials that you can cut here, different kinds of material, cloth material, and foils, and Daisy's come to visit. Come here, Daisy dog. You want to get in pictures? Here, say hello, Daisy. Good girl. It also shows you the different kinds of blades. Let's see. So what's included in this box is a premium fine point blade, a rotary blade, which I assume is for material, fine point pen, a knife blade, a scoring wheel. This is supposed to be the best for scoring. A calligraphy pen. Ooh, I didn't know that. And a washable fabric pen. Ooh, maybe I'll be able to do calligraphy yet, because this hand isn't gonna cut it. Okay, a box in a box in a box. And it says, let's get started. So they give you materials for your first project. So that's kind of, let's see. And they gave us material. This is a very thick, interesting kind of paper, regular paper and a little piece of fabric. So let me set that aside. It says, open me first. Unleash the beauty. Unleash this beauty. Get connected, make a little something, and bookmark this page. Okay, and so here's the bookmark and setup, walking through the steps of setup, plugging in, and getting going. Okay, so need help, call us. Way to go, Cricut. And here's a beautiful book about how to get started and everything about your Cricut maker and your library and design space. And all the different pieces. So we have a whole, got stuff to read. What the knife blade is about, the rotary blade, different tools. Okay, so I'll have to do some reading. Oh, this rotary blade is a serious blade. It's big. It's a big blade. Apparatus. That aside, got our pen, got our cord. Okay, they have a cap for the rotary blade, so you don't cut yourself. Okay. Boxes to add to the boxes. Packing material. Now, I did read that this Cricut is like 9 to 10 pounds heavier than the Explorer Air 2. So it's got 10 times the power that the regular Cricuts have. And so it is much heavier. Got the power source here. What else do I have in this box? Oh! Yay! Because you can always use more mats. And let's see if there's anything else hiding. That's it. Boy, we have a lot of boxes. A lot of box material to put out for recycle. Whoops, falling down. Okay. Let's turn this baby around. Like this. Or not. So this is the rose gold. Well, I have to say, they pack this like there's no tomorrow. We've got protective layer. The scissors. Handy dandy, close to my heart microchip scissors. So you can see I do use my Cricut, and Sylvia and I made shirts to match. So we had fun doing that. Actually, this whole thing of talking about getting the Cricut Maker, this is all because of my husband, who happens to be behind the camera right now. He wanted to make t-shirts too. So he started making t-shirts. And then he thought, well, you know, I can use your Cricut and then you can get the new one. So, all right, now they've got 2 areas for holding utensils and tools right there. And this doesn't have the same kind of opening mechanism, but it, you know, it's still a soft open. And you turn it this way. So I have had my Cricut set up to my computer, but we have gone, Sylvia and I have gone on retreats where everybody takes their Cricut, and to use the Bluetooth, you can put, here it is, you can put Cricut Design Space even on your phone, but on your iPad, so that you're not lugging a computer with this, so you can put it on your iPad, and they have got this nice little groove for your iPad. So how cool is that? I don't know a whole lot about this yet. I know that it, you know, cuts more materials. I think it cuts faster. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to read my book and play with it some, and then I can give you more information about what I find the difference between the Explorer 2 and the Cricut Maker. And of course, in the background, I don't know if you can see it, but I still have my old-timey expression for just keeping in my club room. Now, there is no place here, I will tell you, there's no place here to put your cartridges. But my understanding is if you've already loaded your cartridges into Cricut Design Space, then you'll still be able to use those. If you haven't and you just have cartridges, I would call Cricut, but I read online that someone took pictures of their cartridges and Cricut loaded those cartridges for free into Design Space for them to use. So really accommodating for those of you who still have all of your cartridges. Anyway, so far I think that's all I know. And I will be plugging in and playing soon. So thank you for watching and me unboxing my new Cricut, and of course, ladies, it's pink, rose gold, and pink. It had to be. Thank you, bye-bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Scrapbooking. See you on the YouTube videos. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my blog at scrapbooking.com.